11 tips to make your love last forever. Do you believe that love can last for eternity? Do you want it to endure everything, including time, so it will never end? Here are 11 tips on how to make your love last forever. Number 1. Make your love true. If you want to make your love last forever, make it true. This is because the truth endures forever. If your love is a lie, then for sure it will only last for a moment. So the truer your love is, the longer it will last. Number 2. Have a divine intervention. According to modern physics, our universe has a beginning and therefore has an end. If you want your love to last forever, then let it have some intervention with something beyond our universe. It can be divine intervention from your God if you're a theist, or from any higher being who is not constrained by the laws of our universe if you believe in something different. If you're a believer, remember that the couple that prays together may have a love that lasts forever. Number 3. Love like it did not have a beginning. Again, whatever has a beginning must have an end. If you want your love to not end, then find a love that you feel has already been existing even before you were born. Thus, try to find your soulmate or someone you were destined to love. How to find that person? Just trust your instinct. And once you have found that person or your partner in life, release and give that love you have within you that was already existing even before the beginning of time. Number 4. Put pure energy into your love. According to the law of conservation of energy, also known as the first law of thermodynamics, energy is neither created nor destroyed. Accordingly, if you want an indestructible love, you have to put pure energy into it. And when we talk about energy, we mean a lot of massive efforts. Your love should not only be my thoughts, feelings, or words, but it should be manifested by energetic, consistent actions. Of course, you have to release that kind of energy to the right one. Number 5. Let your love go beyond space. No, you don't need to ride a spaceship and go flying across the cosmos. What I mean is that your love should stay strong regardless of space that makes you apart from your loved one. If you're in a long-distance relationship, then it should not affect your love. If you want your love to last forever, then you have to endure the distance. How can you keep it for eternity if it will not even survive for a distance of a few thousand miles? If your love can survive the test of space, then it might survive the test of time. Number 6. Immortalize your love. Humans may be mortal, but powerful words and stories about them can become immortal. To immortalize the love you have for him or her, write a poem, compose a song, or even write a book about it. Your physical body may die, but your quantum information may live forever. Besides, isn't it romantic if your loved one can read your literature or listen to your music? Number 7. Be metaphysical. Love, not the physical or material features of your partner, but the things that are unseen, such as his or her kindness, trust, and love itself. Physical beauty fades along with our age. Money and other material possessions do not also last forever. Thus, if you want to make your love last for eternity, love someone because of his or her eternal things. Love the things that both you and your partner can cherish even the two of you are already old. Number 8. Give extraordinary love. Be a legendary lover, not an ordinary lover. If you wish your love to echo beyond the fabric of our time and space, you have to offer an extraordinary love, not something that you have just mimicked from other people. I know it's difficult and it's so rare for a person to do extraordinary things for love, but that's the essence of it. If you like your love to go on forever, then you have to do things beyond ordinary. Number 9. Be fearless. In perfect love, there is no fear but trust. You know it, you choose it, you do it, you stand by it, and fight for it with confidence in your heart. Of course, there is no guarantee of success. But that is the essence of love, faith, hope, and trust. You do not fear, not because you know the consequence, but because you know that you can accept whatever the consequence is. Fear only restricts us from reaching more possibilities. So if you want your love to be infinite or boundless, be fearless. Number 10. Bind your lover with all your good virtues. We can be patient, hardworking, self-controlled, and persistent. But are we doing them for love? Those virtues are good, but what if a person is hardworking or persistent because of money instead of love? We cannot serve two masters, we cannot serve both money and love. Thus, if your aim is to make your love more powerful and enduring, unite it with your other great virtues. Your love with your partner will surely last longer if you will be patient for love, work hard for love, be persistent for love, and be honest for love. Number 11, be humble. Last but not least, have humility. Being humble is a simple yet powerful way to make your love last longer. This is because when you keep yourself humble, you constantly create rooms for improvements. So if you want your love to last forever, stay humble and make endless rooms for endless growth. Besides, true love is not envious and boastful, is it? Moreover, humility is one virtue that brings grace and mercy, which can give you great things despite your shortcomings. I hope I have given you some inspiring tips to make your love last forever. Of course, there are no guarantees to that, as no known human being has ever lived for eternity yet, who can confirm us that there is really a forever. However, I think that the essence of love is not to know whether there is forever or not. I believe that the true essence of love is to love whether forever exists or not. Besides, love is supposed to be more than forever, isn't it? Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.